Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can change your password on Yahoo account. So for doing this you just need to go to yahoo.com and here you choose your account max and you will see your account here and you choose settings. So here you will see account security and you just click on it, and here you will see change password. You click on change password. So just wait some time, click I am not a robot. And click verify and click continue. So here you will enter your new password. For example, I will enter another password for showing you that everything works. And click continue. So here you will see success, your password has been updated. You just click continue and you will return to your mail after doing this. So here you will see that I don't add my recovery mail, so just you can add it or click remind me later. It will help you to recover your mail if you forget your password. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.